Hello and welcome. My name is Lisa Marie Rankin. I'm an author and a teacher. Today I want to introduce you to a practice to help alleviate anxiety. And this practice is called the Emotional Freedom Technique, EFT, or tapping. And what it does, it helps to replace negative beliefs, emotions, and feelings with positive thoughts and feelings. It restores our energy's balance. This is a great practice and it really taps into the body's different energy points or meridians, and it's even used to treat PTSD. So to start, I just want you to tune into your body. So you can sit up tall if you're in a chair or even if you're on your cushion and just get a sense of how you're feeling today. And then I want you to give that feeling a number from 1 through 10. So 1, you feel completely relaxed. It's like a day on the beach. Or 10, you feel very panicked, very stressed, like a panic attack. So just giving that a number. And today we're going to go through a practice and we're going to tap for anxiety. So I'm going to keep it kind of general, but when you do this practice on your own, you might want to get more specific with the problem that you are currently dealing with. And the way that tapping works is we're going to start with the problem, identifying the problem, but also identifying the contrary state. But before we go much further, I want to show you the areas where we're going to be tapping. We're going to start right here. So the side of the hand, this is the karate point tap. We will then move to the top of the head, and you can use one hand or both hands, it doesn't really matter. The start of the eyebrow, the side of the eye, under the eye, under the nose, under the chin, collarbone, and under the arm. So those are all the places that we are going to tap on. So let's get started with this practice. So all you need to do, I'm going to guide you through it, is just repeat after me. I'm going to start right here, right at that karate point. Even though I feel so much anxiety, I deeply and completely love and respect myself. Even though I feel so anxious, I really do love myself. Even though I feel anxious and a little bit out of control, I love myself and I know that I can find calm. Top of the head, all of this anxiety. On the eyebrow, so much anxiety. Side of the eye, all of this anxiety is freaking me out. Under the eye, I feel out of control. Under the nose, I don't know what to do. Under the chin, I can feel it in my body. On the collarbone, my heart is racing. I've got butterflies in my stomach, under the arm. All of this anxiety, tip of the eyebrow, is causing me a lot of stress. Side of the eye, I don't know what to do. Under the eye, it's all I can think about. Under the nose, but my thoughts are scattered. On the chin, and I can't seem to calm down. On the collarbone, I feel out of control. Under the arm, I feel so nervous. Top of the head, all of this anxiety. Tip of the eyebrow is causing me a lot of unease. Side of the head, side of the eye, I know I can find calm. Under the eye, even through all of this anxiety, under the nose, I know I can find calm. under the chin. There's calm in my body on the collarbone. And I know I've been calm before. And under the arm, all of this anxiety. Top of the head. Even though there's all of this anxiety. Eyebrow. I really do love myself. Side of the eye. I know what it feels like to be calm. Under the eye, I've felt it before. Under the nose, my body can relax. On my chin, I infuse my body with love. On the collarbone, even through this anxiety, I can find peace. Under the arm, I know what it feels like to be calm. Top of the head, I can find calm within my body. The eyebrow, I know it's there. And I love myself. Side of the eye, because I'm strong and resilient. And even when I feel anxious, that's okay under the nose. Because I know it will pass. On the chin, collarbone, I can feel at ease. Under the arm, I have power over my body. Top of the head, I am safe. Start of the eyebrow, I'm safe in my body. I can find peace. Side of the eye. Under the eye, I feel love. Under the nose, I feel calm. On the chin, I feel centered. On the collarbone, I am at ease. Under the armpit, I feel at one, body, mind, and spirit. So we're going to pause for a moment here. Take a deep breath and then sigh it out. Now take a moment and just recognize how you feel. And again, let's use that rating system. So on a scale from 1 to 10, where 1 is like a day on the beach and 10 is you are in full-blown panic, how do you feel? And did that number go down? Well, I hope it did, but we are going to do one more round, and you can keep doing this tapping practice until you start to feel a sense of ease. So this can be done daily, or it can be done when you feel activated, when you feel like you're in that fight, flight, freeze method. But let's do it one more time. So again, we'll start with the karate point, and we're just going to start tapping. We're going to define the problem, and we'll also define that contrary state. Now, of course, I'm keeping it general, but when you do this on your own, you can get as specific as possible, whether you're feeling anxious over finances, a relationship, or a health problem. So let's get started. Even though I feel all of this anxiety, I deeply and completely love myself. Even though there's all this tension in my body, I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though there's all this anxiety, I know that there is a calm version of me within. Top of the head, all of this anxiety, start of the eyebrow, is causing my body to feel really stressed out. Side of the eye, I feel really anxious. Under the eye, my heart is racing. Under the nose, I've got butterflies in my stomach. On the chin, I keep thinking of worst case scenarios. On the collarbone, this anxiety has me freaking out. Under the arm, all of this anxiety. Top of the head, all of this anxiety. Side of the eyebrow. But that's okay. It's okay to feel anxious. Side of the eye. Even though I feel anxious, I'm okay with that. Under the eye. I know it won't last long. Under the nose. I can find calm within me. On the chin, I know what it feels like to be calm. On the collarbone, I've felt calm before. Under the arm, and I will feel calm again. Even when I'm anxious, top of the head. On the eyebrow, I love and accept myself. Side of the eye, I am strong, capable, and resilient. Under the eye, I will get through this. Under the nose, I will find calm in my body. On the chin, I will infuse my body with love. On the collarbone, I will invite more ease and harmony into my life. Under the arm, I have power over my body. Top of the head, I am love. Beginning of the eyebrow, I am calm. Side of the eye, I feel safe. Under the eye, I feel supported. Under the nose, I feel grounded. On the chin, I'm pretty great. On the collarbone, I love myself. Under the arm, I am confident that I can persevere. You can take a moment, maybe close your eyes and take a deep breath, tuning into your body and just checking in with how you feel. And again, you can give your feeling a rating. 1, day at the beach, 10, full-blown panic attack, and just see how it compares. Are you starting to feel more calm? Now again, you can keep going until you can start to bring that number down, but I hope you found this practice helpful. It's really helped me through different anxious periods of my life, and I try to do it regularly. So often, sometimes when we feel anxious, we believe that we can think our way out of it. But a lot of times that anxiety is stored in our body and it needs to come out through our body as well. So that's why tapping is just such an effective practice. And I hope you found this useful. Thank you.